Picture this. You're always catching colds, struggling with allergies, or battling infections. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Many people grapple with a weak immune system, a silent adversary that can turn even the most mundane tasks into an uphill battle. It's like having an invisible shield that's full of holes. But imagine if you could fortify this shield, make it stronger and more resilient. A weak immune system can feel like a losing battle. But what if there was a simple, natural way to bolster your defenses? Enter sea moss, an oceanic wonder that's been making waves in the health world. This humble algae, often overlooked in the vast expanse of the sea, is in fact a heavyweight champion when it comes to boosting our immunity. The secret lies in its nutrient-rich profile. Sea moss is packed with essential minerals like iodine and zinc, alongside an array of other vital nutrients. These elements work in concert within our bodies, each playing its part in fortifying our immune system. Picture this: iodine, a primary component of sea moss, supports thyroid function. A healthy thyroid, in turn, regulates metabolism and ensures a robust immune response. Similarly, zinc, another key component, is known to aid in cell growth and immune cell development. So, when we incorporate sea moss into our diet, we're essentially equipping our bodies with a natural defense mechanism. With sea moss, you're not just boosting your immune system, you're harnessing the power of the ocean to do it. But that's not all sea moss has to offer. This underwater marvel brings a plethora of health benefits to your dining table. With its ability to seamlessly blend into your meals, sea moss enhances not just the flavor, but also your well-being. It's a digestive aid that promotes gut health, a skin enhancer that gives you that natural glow, and a vitality booster that keeps you energized. Incorporating sea moss into your diet is not just a choice, it's a lifestyle change for a healthier, stronger you.
So go ahead now, kickstart your day like thousands of our happy customers with Hip to Health sea moss. Later.